So today I'm gonna clean out our chicken hoop. So I'm gonna get the stuff that I need. Okay. Okay, I got the stuff. Now I just gonna get all the other stuff ready. Okay, so I'm all done now. Now I just need to put hay down, like sprinkle it all around, put some on the floor, and then put some in here so they can lay down. And I think that's about it. I think that's about it now. So here's the end. She's already going into the other one where I put it. I just need to put everything back, and I'm good to go. So, bye.